Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best OneTouch meter is probably one of the most important tools for managing diabetes, offering a convenient and reliable way to track blood glucose levels at home or on the go. This video will dive deep into what makes a great OneTouch glucose meter, exploring key features, ease of use, accuracy, and overall value to help you make an informed decision when choosing the right meter for your needs. We'll cover everything from testing strips to data management, ensuring you have all the information you need to confidently monitor your health. Number 5. OneTouch Verio Reflect Kit. This complete kit has everything you need to start managing your blood sugar. It includes the meter, test strips, lancets, and lancing device, all in one convenient package. Get fast, accurate results you can trust. It's easy to read and helps you take quick action to manage your glucose levels. Testing is simple and quick. You only need a tiny drop of blood for results in just 5 seconds. No coding is required. The test strips are ready to use right out of the box, saving you valuable time. OneTouch is a trusted brand, committed to helping you manage your diabetes. We offer quality products and premium support. What we like? It includes everything you need to get started with blood sugar monitoring. It provides accurate results in seconds, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a convenient and reliable all-in-one solution, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This machine is easy to use and requires a small amount of blood. The lancet doesn't hurt much. Makes the process easy and quick. Small enough to carry with you. Keeps a nice, clear record of my readings. The screen is super easy to read. Number 4. OneTouch Verio Reflect Meter. Managing your diabetes just got easier. This meter provides simple, accurate readings in seconds, helping you stay on top of your health. It only takes a tiny blood sample for reliable results. Get the information you need quickly and easily. See your blood sugar levels at a glance with the ColorSure Dynamic Range Indicator. It uses colors to show if your reading is high or low. It stores your readings, so you can easily track your blood sugar levels over time. You can also connect to an app for even more insights. OneTouch is a trusted brand, committed to providing quality products to help you manage your diabetes effectively. We're here to support you every step of the way. Everything you need is included: the meter, lancing device, and lancets. Get started with your blood sugar monitoring today. What we like? This meter simplifies blood sugar testing, making it easy for both beginners and experienced users. It gives you reliable readings quickly and uses color-coded indicators to help you understand your results at a glance. If you value ease of use and visual feedback, this is the ideal option. What people say. Good, reliable, minimal blood required, and easy to use. The strips work with a lot less blood than others I have used and absorb the blood easily and quickly, which is so great. Results come back pretty quickly. The sleek design and intuitive interface make testing seamless, even during hectic days. What I love most is its reliability. I can count on precise results every time, giving me peace of mind in managing my health. The Reflect offers a number of features not found on the Verio Flex, including a colored backlit display, expanded data analysis, goal setting, and mentoring. It appears that OneTouch has listened closely to users and has provided a feature-rich meter. Number 3. OneTouch Ultra 2 Glucose Meter. This system makes managing your blood glucose simple and easy. It provides clear, easy-to-read results, helping you stay in control. See your glucose levels before and after meals. It's a great way to understand how food affects your blood sugar. It uses OneTouch Ultra test strips for accurate and reliable readings every time. You can trust the results it gives you. The large display makes it easy to read your results, even in low light. The backlight ensures you can see your results clearly anytime. It's designed for ease of use. Get accurate results quickly and easily, making blood glucose monitoring less of a hassle. Take control of your health with OneTouch Ultra 2. It's the simple and reliable way to manage your blood glucose. What we like? It helps you track your blood sugar levels before and after meals to better understand your body's response to food. It provides clear insights into your blood sugar patterns. If you need to monitor your blood sugar trends over time, this is a great choice. What people say. Over the past decade we have tried many meters, this is our favorite. Not too huge or too small. Well made, easy to use, and accurate. I was replacing my old glucometer when changing diabetes meds and I wanted to make sure my readings were accurate. This is an exact duplicate, so no problems with relearning a new system. Most importantly, it's the most accurate meter I've ever owned. I took it with me to my doctor's appointment and had the staff run simultaneous tests, and the results came out the same. So I'm pleased with it. Number 2. OneTouch Ultra Plus Flex Kit. It's all here in one convenient kit: meter, test strips, lancets, lancing device, and carrying case. Everything you need for easy blood sugar management. Get reliable results in just 5 seconds. It only needs a tiny blood sample for accurate readings, making testing quick and easy. With 13 depth settings on the lancing device and smooth lancets, it prioritizes your comfort during testing. Say goodbye to painful pricks. This innovative technology uses colors to show if your readings are high, low, or in range. Managing your diabetes has never been easier. It's the #1 doctor-recommended meter brand. You can trust in its quality and reliability for accurate blood sugar monitoring. With its ease of use, accuracy, and focus on comfort, it's designed to help you manage your diabetes effectively and confidently. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need, including a carrying case for convenience. It offers fast and accurate readings, and the lancing device is designed for a more comfortable experience. If you prioritize convenience, speed, and comfort, this is the one for you. What people say. It works well. The associated app tells whether it is before or after a meal. It gives a nice graph. It was easy to set up. Having done finger sticks for a long time, I got tired of puncturing my fingertips. With the ordinary OneTouch, I sometimes lanced myself over and over again and wasted test strips in order to get a result. That never happens with these. I really like this kit. It's easy to use and I don't have to manually stick myself with the lancets. The little machine does it for you and lets you dial for how deep you need the lancet to stab your finger. The actual tester is easy to read and easy to sync with your phone. It's a great way to keep on top of your blood sugar levels. The fact that it came with some testing strips and lancets to get started was a bonus, like the little case that holds everything. Number 1. OneTouch Verio Flex Meter. This meter makes testing simple and easy. It's designed for comfortable and convenient blood glucose monitoring. With its simple design, you'll get accurate results quickly. See your blood glucose levels with ease. It only requires a tiny blood sample for testing, making the process less invasive. You'll barely feel a thing. The large, clear display makes it easy to see your results at a glance. No more squinting. It provides accurate and reliable readings, giving you confidence in your blood glucose management. Trust it to give you the information you need. Its compact size makes it perfect for taking with you wherever you go. Manage your health on the go. What we like. It's a compact and efficient meter, perfect if you already have test strips and lancets. It's part of the trusted OneTouch Verio system. If you're looking for a simple, standalone meter, this is a great option. What people say. This meter gives me identical consecutive readings living up to the +1% the researchers found. Great meter, and the strips actually cheaper than old ones. Accurate, display is clear, gives great readings, small nice size. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.